Presenting Digital Asset Manager by React Bricks. Upload. To upload an image, click on an existing image to open the editing window. Select Replace Image and then Upload. You can either choose a file from your folder or drag and drop it into the designated area. Media Library. Again, start by clicking on an image. Choose Replace Image and then from Library to access the React Bricks' Media Library. You can also use images from Unsplash. Click on an image, select Replace Image, and then from Unsplash. This allows you to search and select images from Unsplash, which are then added to the media library. To use an image from a URL, click on an image, select Replace Image, and then from URL. Enter the image URL, and that's it. Now let's talk about media organization. All images and files are uploaded to your project and they're stored on the React Bricks' media library. Images can be viewed in two ways, as a thumbnail layout or as a list of elements. You can also search and filter to locate specific images or media. You can also select, delete, and move them to the trash bin. You can also organize them using folders for better organization. Also, once an image is selected, you can flip it, rotate it, or crop it, or just to add it to your page as it is. Finally, you can upload your images one by one or in batches.